So, starting with the front, we have a 8mm laser cut flange that is mating up to the original flange. Then we have a pressure sensor that we have a baffle, which then tricks the sensor into showing back pressure when there actually is none. Full 4-inch construction. We have laser cut plate mount, so we don't have to run these tube mounts or anything like that. It's a lot stronger and a lot more beautiful. We put a V-band right here on purpose because we have an interchangeable side exit exhaust that can run through here. We will show you that later. Coming back through, another mount that we have laser cut and CNC pressed. Then we've come through, gotten rid of that ugly tip that comes down to about here. We've done a nice little snake down. Now everything is super solid, 4-inch. Perfect. Every one of our exhausts don't leave here until they are completely polished. Gives you that extra little bazinga. We'll show you this side exit meow. Now all that you need to swap over this engineering marvel is a 13mm deep socket and a 10mm ratchet spanner. That's how it's done. How good. Want to hear how lame DPFs are? Rev it up. Hear that DPF? It's as easy as that. It is pretty easy. Like, I wasn't even kidding. I was not even being silly. It's pretty easy. It's pretty good for you. Yeah. And it's 4-inch, so yeah, it's pretty cool. And then you can tell it's a NextGen because of the way that it is.